My name is Suman Mahapatra. I stay here in Bangalore. I work in the corporate as a strategy consultant, and I'm the proud owner of two TVS Scooties, two Pep pluses. So I got my first TVS 16 years ago, which my father gifted me on account of good result in my boards. I've been ecstatic ever since. Used it to go to college, to work, and this is my latest travel buddy, my second TVS, which I use to commute to work, drop my kid to school, and whatnot. And that for me is very special. Something as TVS has empowered me with from the last 16 years. Travel on my own, not to depend on anyone. That makes me super proud. I absolutely cannot imagine my life without my scooty. Whether it is a weekday when I have to go to work, drop my kid to school, or it's a weekend when I have to get my groceries, I absolutely depend on my scooty to navigate the traffic, take me to my shops in the quickest possible manner. I depend on nothing else but my scooty. So if we were to talk about what I enjoyed years ago, my first love would be riding the scooty in the rain, or probably bunking classes to go to the beach back in my hometown in Odisha. In the more recent times, I have enjoyed the maneuverability of the scooty. I love to zigzag my way into my office to navigate the traffic and reach office on time. So back in the day, TVS Scooty was my first travel partner when I was a student. And now when I go to work and my son has started the journey of being a student, it still is. That bond itself is very, very special. Adventurous, independent, and love.